Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone and suddenly a new e-commerce brand is everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, you name it. Now, who's the founder of the store? Well, they probably started with just a simple idea and now they're running a successful online store. And what if I told you that this could be you? Starting an e-commerce business isn't just for the tech gurus or rich folks. With the right steps, you can turn your idea into a thriving online store. So in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of starting your e-commerce venture. And by the end, you'll be ready to launch your business and maybe even kiss that 9-to-5 goodbye. Now, let's start with the first step, which is choosing the right product. This step is crucial because the success of your business depends on the products you offer. Whether it's high-ticket items like luxury goods or low-ticket ones like trendy gadgets, picking the right product can make or break your store. So to start, think about what products might have the most appeal to you. High-ticket items often mean higher profits per sale, but can require more effort in convincing customers to make a purchase. On the other hand, low-ticket items might sell faster and in higher volumes, but with smaller margins. This means you'll need to make more sales to achieve the same profit. Now, let's start to brainstorm some product ideas. An easy way to do it is by using ChatGPT, simply putting in a prompt like this to get a list of potential products that align with market trends. And another way I recommend is to explore top-selling products on major platforms like Amazon and AliExpress. Check out their bestseller lists and trending sections to get a sense of what's currently popular. For example, here on AliExpress, you can see real-time data on items that are getting a lot of attention from buyers. This will give you insight into high-demand items and emerging trends. If you're still not sure on what to sell, here are some trending product ideas this year that you might want to consider. Or if you're more interested in selling a digital product instead, feel free to check out this video for some recommendations. And once you have some ideas, head to Google Trends to check if the market is growing, steady, or shrinking. For example, if I'm thinking about selling earbuds, I'll type it in and see the trend over time. And look for a consistent upward trend, not just a temporary spike. Now scroll down and you'll also find searched items and topics related to earbuds. This can help you identify complementary products or niches within your main category. Now that you've got your product ideas, it's time to find suppliers. Start by exploring Google Shopping by simply typing in the product you're interested in, let's say, once again, earbuds. As you scroll, you'll see various listings from different retailers. And pay attention to the stores that frequently appear or those with high ratings, as they're likely reputable suppliers. And to refine your search, use filters on the left sidebar to adjust things like price, range, or features. Here, I'm looking for high-quality earbuds under $50, so I set the price filter accordingly. You can also use tools like Shop Hunter or Koala Inspector to dig deeper into the sales volume and popularity of the stores you find. For example, here I'm using Koala Inspector to check the store's data, including product stats and overall store performance. This information will help you assess whether the supplier is a good fit for your business. And once you've gathered a list of potential suppliers, it's time to organize your findings and start building a database. Here I'm creating a Google Sheet, labeling columns with supplier names, contact details, product types, and any other relevant information. This will be my go-to resource for tracking and managing suppliers. Alright, with the list of potential suppliers ready, let's start setting up your business. It's where you build the essential elements that will define your brand and attract customers. First, let's talk about choosing a business name. Imagine your brand as a character in a story. The name you choose should reflect its personality and resonate with your audience. And remember to use tools like ChatGPT to make the process faster. For example, here I'm looking for some business name ideas that can convey the identity of my brand. And next up, we also need a logo design. Your logo is the face of your brand, and it's what customers will remember and recognize. Whether you look for a sleek and modern design or something more classic, make sure it reflects your business's character and appeals to your target audience. And for a professional touch, consider using tools like our AI Logo Maker. It's an easy and intuitive way to design a logo that captures the essence of your brand. To use it, simply click on this button. Then log into your account or sign up using your email account and start creating your logo with AI. Here, I'll type the description of the logo that I want to create and choose the logo style in this drop-down list. To finish, simply click Create. And these are some options that the tool generated based on the description that I entered. From here, I can edit the logo that I like and download it by clicking this button right here. Now, brand colors and fonts also play a role in establishing your business's visual identity. Choose colors that align with your brand's personality and evoke the right emotions. For example, tech-focused brands often use sleek, modern colors with black or silver, while more playful brands might opt for vibrant, energetic hues. Same with fonts. Choose the one that matches your brand's style and keep it consistent across all your marketing materials. Another must-have for an e-commerce business is a website. It's basically your virtual storefront where customers can buy your products. Now, it's time to get into the fun part and start building it. So to start, you'll need a hosting plan that can handle the demands of an online store. Here, I'll choose Hostinger's WooCommerce hosting. It's packed with everything you need and can grow with your business. To purchase the plan, click the link in the description and choose one of the plans right here. I recommend the Cloud Startup plan, which is perfect for new businesses. Once you've made your decision, click Choose Plan. On the checkout page, choose your subscription duration and pick a plan for 1 year or longer to get a free domain name. I'm going to pick the 4-year plan here to get a lower price as well. And continue by creating an account and entering your payment details. And make sure to add the discount code WOO10 to get 10% off any purchase of 1 year or longer plans. Once your payment is complete, you'll be directed to Hostinger's H panel, where you can start setting up your website. If you don't see the H panel, go to Hostinger's homepage and click Login at the top right. Then enter the login credentials you used during purchase. From here, go to the Websites tab, click on Add Website, and choose WordPress. After that, set up your login details, and when you're finished, click Next to continue. Here, choose Online Store as your website type, and click Next. Now here you will have 3 options, whether to use one of the pre-built templates, pick a theme from the available options, or opt to create a blank site. Now I strongly suggest choosing a pre-built template that comes with all features needed to streamline the setup process. And on this page, choose the plugins to install on your website. For now, I'll just stick with the default options. The next step is to pick a domain name. Here I'll enter the name that I've picked before, select one from the drop-down menu, and then fill in the details. After claiming your free domain, you'll be asked to pick a data center. And make sure to select the closest one to your target audience to ensure faster load times for your customers. Once that's done, just click Next to finish. And now that the onboarding process is all done, you'll need to wait a few moments while WordPress installs. Once it finishes, you'll be redirected to the website's dashboard on H panel. Click this to continue with the website's creation process. On the onboarding page, select Set up an online store to start setting up your e-commerce website. Fill in your store name, choose the product type and location, and note down your business email address. Click Continue when you're done. And I'll just skip this part for now since I'll add the products later, and I'll just proceed with the shipping methods first. Select Add Shipping Method here, and click Add Zone. On this page, create the zone name, set up the areas you'll be shipping to, and select your preferred shipping methods. You can choose from the 3 options here: free shipping, flat rate, local pickup, and flexible shipping. Hit this button when you're all done. Next, I'll move to the payments section, which is right beside the shipping page. There are several payment methods that you can choose from here. But if you're not sure which to pick, I really suggest choosing Woo Payments. It accepts debit and credit cards as well as local payment methods in over 135 currencies. Now just hit Install, click Connect your store, enter your email address, and verify the connection through the link sent to your inbox. Your online store will be able to accept payments once the payment status is shown as enabled. To learn more about the shipping and payment methods in WooCommerce, feel free to check these videos right here. Well, now that we've completed the initial setup of your online store, let's move on to finalize the rest of the website. And since I selected one of the pre-built website templates, most of the essential pages are already in place, and I just need to fill them with content relevant to my business. Thanks to Hostinger's AI Content Creator, updating the website content is really fast and simple. To give you an example, I'll use this tool to create content for the About page. From the left sidebar, go to Hostinger and select AI Content Creator. Choose Page as the content type, and next select the tone and length for the content. In the field below, fill in a description to guide the AI Content Creator on what to write about. If there are any keywords you would like to include, specify them in the respective fields. Once the content generation is finished, review the output right below. Click Edit as Draft to proceed, and if you want to change any text, just click on the section and make your edits. You can also add new content blocks by clicking the plus icon and selecting from the list. To make the page go live, I just need to hit Publish at the top. But since I already have an About page, I'll just copy the content, go to Pages from the admin dashboard, click Edit under the About page, paste the text, and make changes accordingly. Then just click Save. Make sure to personalize other pages, either manually or with the AI Content Creator. For more detailed steps on how to customize other pages, such as a home page or the contact page, you can check this video right here. And after customizing the home page and other pages from the template, it's time to add all the products to the website. To do this, go to Products and click Add New. In this page right here, there are product details you'll need to fill in, from product name, product description, to product categories. And make sure not to miss any steps here, as each detail helps optimize the product listing for search and sales. You can also follow this tutorial for a more detailed explanation of this step. And after completing all the steps, make sure to go through all the pages and check that all links, images, and features are working correctly. And it's go time! Your store is ready to launch. But remember, launching is just the beginning. Now it's all about getting the word out and letting people know that you're open for business. I recommend to start by focusing on free marketing methods and boost your efforts with paid advertising later on. One method to begin with is search engine optimization, or SEO for short. By optimizing your site with relevant keywords and writing engaging product descriptions, you can attract organic traffic over time. If you want to learn more about SEO, we have an article with tips on the subject linked right in the description below. Next, focus on social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are perfect for showcasing your products and building a community around your brand. Share engaging content, interact with your audience, and create a discussion that keeps your followers excited about your business. Building an email list is another crucial step. Offer something cool like a discount or a free guide to get those signups. Then keep them coming back with personalized emails that keep your brand fresh in their minds. Once you've established these free methods, consider paid advertising using platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. With these tools, you can target specific audiences who are likely to be interested in your products. Influencer marketing is another great way to drive more traffic to your site. By teaming up with influencers in your niche, you can benefit from their trust and large following. A simple shout out or a product review from them can quickly boost your brand's visibility and attract new customers to your store. And by using these strategies, you'll not only launch your e-commerce business successfully, but also build a solid foundation for long-term growth. And remember to keep things consistent, be ready to adapt, and always put your customers first. And there you have it. We've gone through all the essentials to launch and market your e-commerce business, from picking the perfect product to building your website and, of course, spreading the word. Now you're ready to take your store live and share it with the world. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. We'd also really love to hear about your e-commerce journey and any tips you may have for fellow entrepreneurs. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more insights and tutorials to help you grow your online business. Thank you very much for watching, and best of luck on your e-commerce adventure.